So let's talk about brain fog. Brain fog is one of those things that we all have experienced at some time, at some level, for loads of different reasons. We can get brain fog every day from tiredness. We can get it from overworking, over-exercising. Maybe there's some medical going on and brain fog is a side effect of that. But one of the places where brain fog is sometimes, most of the time, guaranteed is in pregnancy. So in pregnancy, you can easily get brain fog, and that's something that can really slow you down and be a hindrance to your day-to-day life. So I have a diffusion recipe that I have used for brain fog in pregnancy for years, and I'm going to share it with you today. So this is my diffuser. I'm going to just take the lid off, and I'm going to fill it up to the water line. So don't go past your water line with your diffuser. There you go. Now I'm going to start with a really strong citrus oil. I'm going to start with orange essential oil. And I'm going to use 5 drops in my diffuser. So 10 drops in a diffuser of this size in total works. It's loads and it's safe, which is exactly what we want. We want to be effective and safe. So 5 drops of orange is perfect. Now my next oil I'm going to use is ginger. Ginger helps give us this sharpness in our mind, but it also helps to give us like a hug. So ginger to me is one of those warming, supportive, loving oils. And we need that because we can be hard on ourselves normally in life, never mind when we're dealing with brain fog. So 3 drops of ginger. And ginger and orange together smell beautiful. But when I add this third essential oil, that's when the aroma really takes its shape and it gives the aroma character. And that's rosemary. Now I'm going to use 2 drops of rosemary. And rosemary is in here because it gives us focus and clarity. So with brain fog, what are we lacking? Focus and clarity. So you've got the sunshine essential oil of your orange that's going to get you brighter, help break through that fog, literally. Ginger is going to just give you a bit of a hug and make you, be kinder to yourself during that time. And then rosemary is going to give you the sharpness and focus and clarity that you need when that fog has been lifted. So I recommend that you put your lid back on and you diffuse this for about 20 to 60 minutes in whichever room you're working in, whether it's the office, the kitchen, the living room, wherever it is. And you don't have to be at work at the desk to be fighting brain fog. You can be on a Saturday trying to get errands done and the brain fog's just making you slow or forgetful or cloudy. This blend is perfect. So again, just to recap, you have 5 orange, 3 ginger, 2 rosemary. If you don't have any of those oils or you don't like any of those oils and you want me to suggest a substitution, leave me a comment below and I'll happily offer you a substitution. And if you make it, let me know how effective it is. Let me know how you use it, when you use it, and let me know any comments you have. I really love to hear from you guys when you make these blends, especially when you get a bit creative and make them your own by swapping out some of the essential oils. I hope this really helps to break through your brain fog. I know it's definitely helped me break through brain fog loads of different times in my life, so I hope it helps you too.